Yo, it's me, Endurance. Thank you guys so much for watching the last video. For those of you that are new to the channel and didn't get a chance to see that video, I will go ahead and post it somewhere up here so that you can click the link as soon as this video is over. Now, I want to share something different with you guys. But before that, I gotta go and get changed for story time. So I'll be right back. Okay, all right, so story time. For as long as I can remember, as a kid, whenever we went out anywhere, celebration, out to eat, to a cousin's house, or even a church, we always had to get dressed. Let me give you some context behind that. See, my parents are Nigerian immigrants, right? So with them, they always dressed with intention. They never dressed down. It was always, dressing up. And for some of you viewers, you may understand what I'm talking about now. Don't get it twisted. My parents were always fly, and to a degree, they have influenced some of my style. So at a pretty early age, me and my siblings always had to get dressed. I'm talking dress shirt, dress pants, slacks, trousers, whatever you call them, dress shoes, skirts, dresses, the whole nine. Anywhere we went, we were always distinguished. We always stood out from other people just because the way that we were dressed. So fast forward a little bit to high school. You got high school sports. So I hooped during high school. And during that time, you had to dress for games. So because I had all this conditioning, this practice of, getting dressed whenever I left the house, dressing up formally really wasn't uncomfortable for me. I know my experience isn't the same for you all. There are those of you that, aren't fans of dress pants and trousers, so you've opted to invest in chinos and, your dark denim jeans, which is all right, which leads me to this point right here. I want to share with you guys another alternative that you can have in your closet. And that alternative is pleated shorts and pleated trousers. Now, if you are not familiar with pleated shorts or trousers, I would say that for the last couple years, there has been a frenzy to collect these garments made by Issey Miyake because he used his own technique of creating these pleats across the entire pants, across the entire shorts. So the ones I have aren't from Issey Miyake. The price point runs way too high for me right now. It's pretty much a couple $100s. But, the good people at Zara have created their own line of it that you can cop, at a way more affordable price. Now these pleated shorts and pleated trousers, I copped from Zara earlier in the year. Now, for me, they really feel like a pair of joggers. In my opinion, you can wear them casually, you can wear them in your leisure time, whether you're working from home or heading out to brunch. For those of you struggling to get dressed and feel a little bit awkward and nervous about it, these pants are perfect because they kind of take that awkwardness away from, having to dress up and really allow you to feel like you're dressed down and add your twist to, an elevated casual and upscaling that to a formal degree while still, conforming to your style. So now that I've talked them up, I want to go ahead and show you guys some of the fits and some of the pieces that I styled and paired with them. hopefully, this encourages you guys to want to explore alternative options for trousers that work for you. If you end up copying the Issey Miyake pleated pants or these pleated trousers from Zara, hit me up. Let me know in the comments what you think of them, how they feel, and also let me know what fits you end up putting together. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and make sure you hit that notification bell at the bottom so you know when the next video drops. Until next time, peace.